Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by spawning and immediately equipping the assault rifle from your loadout. This saves seconds and keeps momentum. Once done, check your magazine count and swap magazines if you're below full capacity so you avoid mid-fight reloads. Make sure attachments like red dot or angled grip are applied to reduce recoil and speed aiming. These choices change how you fire and where you aim. Practice quick equip under pressure so it becomes muscle memory. You should aim for center mass and prefer short bursts when targets are past close range, because full auto will spray and waste bullets. Once you start firing, pull slightly down in rhythm to counter vertical climb and tap in 3 to 5 round bursts for accuracy. Make sure to pair bursts with strafing or using nearby cover so you reset aim and avoid return fire. These techniques increase hit probability and conserve ammo during prolonged fights. You finish encounters by quickly confirming the kill and scanning the vicinity so you're not flanked. Reload only when safe to maintain readiness. If you notice consistent misses, adjust aim sensitivity, trial a different sight, and verify attachment compatibility because wrong setup ruins grouping. Make sure to test in a private match to isolate issues. If the game lags or inputs delay, restart the client or respawn. That often fixes rubber band.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.